Have you ever felt like your project's workflow is all over the place, or wondered how to get a clearer picture of where each task stands? Kanban could be the solution you're looking for. Today we're diving into Kanban, a visual tool used in Agile project management to streamline workflows, improve efficiency, and keep everyone on the same page. Originally developed in manufacturing, Kanban has become widely adopted across industries as a go-to method for managing tasks and resources. At its core, Kanban is all about visualizing work to manage and improve the flow of tasks. By laying out tasks on a board, you and your team can quickly see what's in progress, what's finished, and what might need extra attention. Kanban also limits work overload by setting specific limits on how many tasks can be in progress at any one time. Kanban is built around 4 key principles that guide its use in project management. 1. Visualize the work. Kanban centers around visualizing work on a board. Each board is divided into columns representing different stages of the workflow, like to do, in progress, and done. Tasks move across these columns, making it easy to see where everything stands. 2. Limit work in progress. By restricting the number of tasks that can be in progress simultaneously, Kanban keeps the team focused on completing tasks before starting new ones. This prevents overload, maintains priorities, and keeps work flowing smoothly. 3. Manage flow. Kanban aims to maintain a steady, predictable flow of work. Analyzing the movement of tasks helps the team identify bottlenecks and adjust as needed to improve efficiency. 4. Continuous improvement. Regularly reviewing and refining processes is essential in Kanban. Teams look at metrics like lead time, the time taken for a task from start to finish, to identify areas for optimization. Now let's talk about the Kanban board. This board is the heart of Kanban, and it's where all the action happens. Picture it as a map that shows where each task is in the project journey. Typically, you'll see columns like backlog or to-do. This is where tasks start. It's your list of things waiting to get done. In progress, here's where tasks are actively being worked on. It's a snapshot of what's currently happening. Completed or done. This column is for tasks that have crossed the finish line and are officially completed. Depending on your project, you might add extra columns, like review or testing. Each task is represented by a card, and as work progresses, the card moves across the board from one column to the next. This setup lets everyone on the team, from project managers to stakeholders, instantly see what's still in the queue, what's in progress, and what's done. Work in progress limits the number of tasks in progress and helps team members focus on completing tasks without being overwhelmed. This encourages team members to finish tasks before starting new ones, making work smoother and more efficient. In addition to work in progress, Kanban relies on several key measurements to evaluate and optimize workflow efficiency. Let's break down 3 essential metrics: lead time, cycle time, and throughput. Lead time. This is the total time it takes for a task to move through the entire workflow, from when it's first requested to when it's completed. Think of ordering a pizza. Lead time starts the moment you place your order and ends when the pizza is delivered. In Kanban, shorter lead times mean faster delivery to your customers. Cycle time. While lead time measures the entire process, cycle time focuses on how long a task stays in the active workflow, essentially, from when work begins to when it's finished. Using the pizza analogy, cycle time starts when the chef begins preparing your pizza and ends when it's ready for delivery. Monitoring cycle time helps teams understand how efficiently they complete tasks. Throughput. This measures how many tasks are completed within a specific time frame. For example, if a team completes 15 tasks in 1 week, the throughput is 15. Higher throughput indicates a more productive workflow. Kanban offers several benefits. 1. Increased visibility. With a visual board, team members and stakeholders can easily see the status of each task at a glance. 2. Flexibility. Unlike Scrum, Kanban is highly adaptable. Teams can add or modify tasks as needed without being constrained by fixed time periods. 3. Continuous delivery. Kanban promotes a steady, continuous flow of tasks, allowing teams to deliver value incrementally. 4. Improved efficiency. Limiting work in progress reduces context switching, improves focus, and helps ensure tasks are completed before new ones are started. These benefits make Kanban an excellent choice for teams looking to improve workflow and adapt to changing priorities. Kanban fosters a culture of continuous improvement. By regularly reviewing metrics such as lead time, cycle time, and throughput, teams can identify and address inefficiencies. This keeps the workflow optimized and ensures that tasks move smoothly through each stage. Kanban also works well in hybrid environments that combine Agile and traditional project management methods. For example, in a project that has predictable planning stages, but also requires flexibility, Kanban can be applied to manage specific workflows that need continuous delivery and adaptation. Let's do a quick recap to sum up the essentials of Kanban. First, Kanban is all about visualizing the workflow. Think of it as setting up a visual map of your tasks so everyone knows where things stand at any time. Second, work-in-progress limits are the secret to keeping things under control. By limiting tasks in progress, your team can focus on completing work instead of juggling too many things at once. Third, Kanban focuses on managing flow. It's about keeping work moving through each stage and avoiding bottlenecks. Finally, Kanban is rooted in continuous improvement. The idea is to always be refining and optimizing to make the process smoother and more efficient. So, in a nutshell, Kanban helps teams stay organized, work efficiently, and adapt to changes as they happen. Kanban is a versatile and powerful tool for managing workflows in agile and hybrid environments. By visualizing tasks, setting work-in-progress limits, and fostering continuous improvement, Kanban enables teams to streamline processes and deliver value more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to PM Aspirant for more project management tips and insights. For more detailed resources on Kanban and other essential project management concepts, head over to pmaspirant.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.